Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. The parts which we are going to use are powered by these: Ryzen 3 3100 CPU, 8GB RAM, DDR3 256GB SSD, Windows 10 RX 554GB, 6 RGB fans, NEXSMART gaming case. The gaming PC NEXSMART Desktop Computer has dimensions of 44 by 40 by 25 cm, 9.1 kg and a total of 9.1 kg in weight. It features silent cooling fans, strong performance, pre-installed with Windows 10 64-bit and lifetime technical support service. Very happy. Worked hard for my money to put into it. Wasn't disappointed at all. Plays GTA 5 on high settings with a steady 60 FPS, well worth the money. Remember, go wired for the best PC gaming experience. Wireless connection, just don't cut it. Runs all my games perfectly.